Hey guys, so today we were heading to Karabi from Phuket. While on our destination, we came across this place where we get elephants. The elephants are mind blowing and they are roaming freely. It's a lovely experience. So now we have come to the port. So from here we shall be heading towards our resort, which is the Relay Village Resort and Spa. So for that we have purchased a private boat and we shall be onboarding over there, and moving forward we'll show you the view of the resort as well. Let's go. As you can see from that boat, we just now landed and we are moving forward to our resort. So it was a long journey, I would say, of hardly of around some 20 minutes from the port to this. So this resort we are moving on forward to look onto it, like how's the resort and all. We'll show you a detailed review of it and all. Moving forward, let's explore it up. So we are still moving on to the bridge. The bridge, as you can see, ये bridge आके they have made it on top of water. So it's like a sort of a water, like floating type of bridge. Also, as you can see, there's a lot of clay and all over here. But here the water is not deep at all. But if you go on that side, especially, the water is heavily deep. It's like approximately, they were like, it's about 12 to 20 feet minimum it is. So we are heading to the resort now to do the check-in part. So there's the rest there we have to move, and after that we'll be showing you the resort. So finally, after a long walk, we were finally able to come to this place. So this one has one beautiful thing is that it has its own beach, a private beach. As you can see, we have the own private beach, which is a great thing. Also, there's a lot of good view as well, just like how the James Bond Island and all we have looked in the previous video. A similar look is also can be seen from our place as well. As you can see, that is one more thing. That's also look quite beautiful. This island as well, which I showed you, is quite good, and it's lovely place actually. You have a private beach in front of you and all. It's a great thing. It's a great place to enjoy. Also look at the scenery there as well. You have a lot of mountains there as well. Everything, हर जगह पे इधर अलग ही अपना ही मज़ा है इधर. It's a lovely experience though. Next I'll be showing you the rooms as well. Rooms का भी view दिखाएंगे आपको हम. So be with us. Yeah, so this is the room which they have allocated to us. So as you can see, the 2033 is ours room, and front of it itself we have a beach, basically a pool view. You can relax as well while playing on the pool or taking a sun bath or something. Also, this good thing is that here the pool is also quite clean and all. Everything is good. So now I'll just show you guys up the room view as well, how the room is in terms of cleanliness and all. So let's check it out. So this is the room actually. It has a TV with it. By default, you get two water bottles for free as complimentary. The remaining all are paid ones. So apart from that, you have a table as well where you can work on peacefully. Also, you have something like a sofa type where you can sit and relax. And this is the bed actually. The bed is also quite clean and tidy. So this is the room view overall. Also, these are the washrooms. So for the washroom part as well, I'll just show you up. Yep. So yeah. So these are the washrooms. So yeah, this is the bathtub which they have given to us. Moreover, these are the towels which you can use for playing in pool or beach. Um, Also, you have a shower area as well where you can take shower. Uh, I think that's it, and a few cupboards also they have provided us where you can keep your cash, clothes, etc. I think that's is all about this room. But one more thing they asked us is that to keep the rooms always locked, because this island has a lot of monkeys in it, and there's a high chance that the monkeys can come inside and take your items and go, or break items. So it's up to you to close all the doors and all. So that's all about it. See you soon. We are at the island now, again near the beach. So here I shall be showing you the things, okay? Here there's a lot of crab homes present. I'll be showing you that. So this is the crab. Here you have a lot of crabs present. See, this is a crab Hamza has taken in his hand. So here you can see there's a lot of holes present over here. So these are the homes to the crabs, okay? So this is the beach, and here we shall be playing for some time, followed by sunset.